Hello everyone, my name is Ankita Jagtap. Today's topic is what is clinical research. Clinical research is a branch of medical research that involves people, aims to determine the effectiveness, efficacy and safety of medication devices, diagnostic product and treatment regimens intended for improving human health. This research produces are designed for the prevention, treatment, diagnosis, or understanding of disease symptoms. Clinical research is a different from clinical practice. In clinical practice, established treatment are used to improve the condition of a person, while in clinical research evidence is collected under study conducting on a group of people to determine the efficacy and safety of a treatment. The clinical research ecosystem involve a complex network of sites, pharmaceutical companies and academic research institution. Clinical research is often conducted at academic medical centers and affiliated research study sites. These centers are sites provide the prestige of large large area, providing a large pool of medical participants. These academic medical centers often have their internal institution review boards are observe the ethical conduct of medical research. Besides being a participant, actively can actively the public can actively collaborate with researchers in designing and conducting clinical research. This is known as the patient and public involvement. Public involvement involves a working partnership between the patient and people with lived experience and researchers uh, to to shape of the influence what is the research and how. PPI can improve the quality of research and make with current or past experience with illness can provide a differentiation of perspective than professionals and complement their knowledge through their topics that are review and important to those living with an illness or using service. They can also help to make the research more grounded in needed of the specific communities they are part of. Public contributors can also ensure that their research is presented in plain language. This is the clear to wider society and the specific group it is most relevant. It is following preclinical researches, clinical trials involving few drugs of commonly classified into the phases. Each phase of drug approved process is treated as a separated clinical trials. If the drug successfully passes through phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 and phase 4, it will be give approved by the national regulatory authority for use in the general population. This phase 4 is the post approval studies. Phase 1 include 20 to 30 healthy voluntaries or individual with the disease or condition. This study typically last or several months and is propose it is prove safety and effect dosage. And phase 3 include a large number of individual participant in the range of 100 to 30, and phase 3 includes some 1000 to 300 1000 to participant to assess efficacy and safety of the drug and different doses. Only 25 to 23% drug advanced to the end of the phase 3. Different types of clinical research are also used, and depending on what research and studying are described of clinical research. Treatment research generally involves an invention such as medication, and new devices or new approaches to surgery or radiation therapy. Prevention research looks for the better ways to prevent the disorders from the developing or returning. Different kinds of prevention research may study medicines, vitamins, vaccines, minerals, or lifestyle changes. Diagnostic research refer to the practice of looking for better ways to identify a particular disorders or conditions. Thank you.